Parang Ducks. Ano na naman yun? What a race! What a race!
This is one of the best races for this season, ano?
Oo nga eh. Wala nang snooze fest. Papanood ka talaga eh. Ano ba to?
Gising na gising yung diwa ko from lap 1.
Exciting the whole time. OP, P1, Lando, P2, Max, P3. Ito mo, siya yung nasa huli ha. Ano nangyari doon? Paano na naman yun? Ano naman ginawa ni Verstappen sa unang turn?
Grabe na naman yung starting na yun, di ba? Eto na naman si Lando eh. Bobotal na naman eh. Magbobote na yata itong si Lando Norris.
Hari ng bote, ano?
Oh my goodness. Ang galing ng move ni Verstappen dun eh. Kasi yung Qatar, it's a clockwise. So pumunta siya dun sa middle between Lando Norris and then Oscar. And then he just maintained his position. Hanggang nga dun sa right-hand turn na yon, tuloy-tuloy siya eh. Naungusan niya kaagad si Norris. Until turn 3.
Saan ba nagkatalo yun? Yung launch nila, yung reaction time nila.
I think Max had a better launch. Hindi ko inaasahan yun actually. Kasi given na talagang yung McLaren cars are known to have a better acceleration tsaka yung speed din nila, talagang hindi mo aasahan na talagang nandun na si Verstappen kaagad.
Iba rin siguro yung pressure ng race na to, no? Penultimate race.
Qualifying pa lang, medyo pumalya na si Lando Norris. Kasi nga during the last part ng qualifying, di ba, sa Q3, he was supposed to have another run. But then, yung last run niya sa qualifying, nag-slow down na siya dun sa kanyang hot lap. So he was not able to get his last run dun sa Q3.
Ba't pa nag-decide yung McLaren na wag mag-pit stop nung 7th? Nung 7th lap?
I think that was the most controversial part of the race itself. The FIA imposed na yung mga tires kailangan may 25 laps lang.
Maximum 25 laps.
So that what made the race, I think, more exciting. Kasi nga, there's a mandatory pit stop after 25 laps kung bago yung tires mo.
So at least dalawang pit stop yan. Sure ball. Hindi ka pwede mag one stop.
Kapag may safety car, ang parang strategy ng mga teams na gagawin is talaga magpipit stop.
Oo, kasi mabagal lahat eh. You won't lose as much time.
Yes,
kung
correct.
doon ka mag-pit stop sa safety car na yun, di ba?
And then there's like, I think, 26 seconds na gap for every pit stop dito sa Qatar. Kung pit stop mo is under like 2 seconds or I think under 2.5, makukuha mo yung 26 seconds na yun. Very predictable siya sa mga strategies. So kapag may safety car, that will be your opportunity na palitan mo yung gulong mo so you can extend farther.
Kung required ka na dalawa, tapos may safety car, dapat take advantage ka na nun, di ba? Safety car na yun. Kunin mo na yung una mong pit stop doon para one stop ka, balik ka sa one stop strategy.
Yes, correct.
The rest of the race, di ba? What was McLaren thinking kaya?
Kasi if they do, they will have to double stack. Papasok si Oscar, and at the same time, kasi less than 2 seconds lang yung gap ni Oscar to Norris. And Norris has to come in also. So habang nag-service yung mga pit crew kay Oscar, Lando is losing track position.
Waiting.
Waiting, just to maintain ulit yung papaya rules na wala silang binibigyan ng favor between the two drivers. I think they opted not to take that advantage to go to the box na mag-pit stop. In a way, talagang sinabotahin nila yung race ni Oscar.
Doon ako nanghihinaing para kay Oscar eh. If they managed the race, kahit hindi na sobrang galing, basta yung properly lang, that would have been Oscar's race.
Yes.
Di ba?
Kasi, Oscar has been dominating since sprint qualifying, yung sprint, hanggang sa qualifying, di ba?
Yes. Back in shape, back in racing shape si Oscar talaga.
Kaya nga, after that race, talagang pinapalo ni Oscar Piastri yung steering wheel niya.
Exactly. You can see the frustration. Kasi yun na yun eh. That was his race. Kahit from lap 1 to lap 7 talaga. Ang ganda ng launch niya. Tapos dire-diretso lang. He was slowly building the gap, di ba?
Yeah. And he was even catching Verstappen dun sa kanyang final stint. Talagang hinahabol niya. And he was closing the gap. Oh my
he
goodness. And ang nakakatawa pa, nung nag-pits na si Lando Norris, hindi naman nila nakuha yung track position na tinatarget nila.
Mhm.
In a way, Lando still ended up behind Kimi Antonelli.
Since they opted to stay out, ang goal sana nila is to overcut, of course, na, sige, dahil magpipit lahat at tayo nag-stay out, we need to build a super huge gap para pag tayo na ang nag-pit, it won't affect our position. Pero hindi naman nila nagawa yung gap, tsaka safety car yun.
Yes. And how can you establish a huge gap when you are running on an old tires, di ba? And everyone behind you is running on a new set of tires.
Overcut gone wrong.
Correct. Kasi kahit na yung mga hard tires, maganda yung performance ng mga hard tires. Max was even matching yung pace ng mga McLaren when he was, in third place. Good thing na ganun yung naging pangyayari sa Qatar. And then, of course, this will give us a very exciting race, Abu
Totoo.
Dhabi on the final race.
Because of that mistake, we now have a three-way battle for the championship. Uy, sarap sa mga F1 fans.
Salamat, Nico Hülkenberg, and then kay Pierre Gasly.
Salamat sa bungguan nyo.